When someone dies because of someone else's negligence, then Illinois law may allow two different types of claims: a wrongful death claim and a survival action. While these claims are related, they compensate for different types of losses, and so they are two uh, separate types of claims. My name is Zach Anderson. I'm a co-owner at 217 Law and a personal injury attorney in Central Illinois. And in this video, I just want to briefly explain the differences between a wrongful death claim and a survival action under Illinois law. A wrongful death claim generally just focuses on the losses suffered by the surviving family members. Under the Wrongful Death Act, a personal representative of an estate brings a claim on behalf of the surviving family members, typically or often a surviving spouse, or and/or children. The purpose of the wrongful death claim is to compensate the family for things like loss of financial support, loss of companionship, as well as the grief and sorrow caused by the death. Survival action, on the other hand, is completely different. A survival claim allows the estate to pursue the claims that the deceased person would have been able to bring had they survived the injury. I've had this come up in a few different types of cases. And so, for example, say that there is a car accident and a person is injured in the accident, lives for some period of time, and then they pass away. The family will generally be able to pursue a wrongful death claim. And in addition, they'll be able to pursue a survival action claim for that for the damages that the injured person suffered during that period of time that they were still alive, for their conscious pain and suffering, for example. As I mentioned a minute ago, I've had this come up on auto accident claims before. I had one case where a gentleman was very tragically uh, he didn't survive the accident. He didn't survive the impact, and so in a case like that, there wasn't much of a survival claim because the passing occurred at impact. But then another case I had later that same year, a person ended up passing away due to injuries they suffered, but they passed away a couple of days after the impact occurred. And so in that case, we had a wrongful death claim on behalf of the family, and then a survival action on behalf of the deceased person for their pain and suffering during the period of time that they're still alive. The vast majority of cases, if there is a survival action, then both a wrongful death claim and a survival action are brought together in the same lawsuit. Again, one focuses on the family losses, the other focuses on the damages suffered by the deceased person before they passed away. It's very important to work with a very experienced attorney on cases like this. If you've lost a family member in Central Illinois and you have any interest in seeing if I might be a good fit to represent you, please feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to consult with you and see if working together might be in your best interest.